welcome back to my channel. Just want to say thanks for stopping by, and if you guys have not already, y'all know I gotta say it, I'm gonna say it. If you have not already, go ahead and like and subscribe and ring the bell on the side. I'm telling you, get the alerts whenever we drop a video. I would like to thank all my new subscribers. I've gained 12 of you guys in the last week, and I'm so glad. Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel. These looks, so you guys stay tuned. If you guys like it, stay tuned. Don't forget to like the video, comment, like, share. Welcome, welcome, and thank you guys for being a part of my channel. So I'm just going to do a tutorial. I'm not going to do a review. Personally, I think this is a must-have. Everybody should have this. Now this, okay, maybe not a must, because that's a strong word. It's a must-have. It's a must-have because it's got all the colors in here that are neutral. And you can glam it. This is almost like what I would call a, sorry, it's messy, but this is what I would call like a wedding palette almost. You could do so many shades. So I'm gonna kind of do like a glammed up shade or glammed up tutorial of this with a glitter cut crease. I'm just now learning how to work on these, and I absolutely love them. So I think I'm going to, I don't know. I just know I absolutely love this palette. All the shimmers are absolutely creamy. The mattes are very blendable. And I got this at Ulta for only $12. And it's got this jumbo mirror on it. Perfect. I always keep my films because I don't like for my stuff to get on to the mirror because I use the mirror, of course. So, you guys, this is to me like a must-have. So let's get started. This one right here, this one is called Hang 10. So it's kind of like a peachy nude. So, and that's what we're going with today, like a peachy nude. So with the same brush, I'm going to go back in with Road Trip. Fallout. I'm going to go back in with this shade right here called Road Trip. And I'm just going to darken this crease. Now with the Morphe M433, I'm going to use Beach Please mixed with a little bit of Volcano. I'm gonna mix these two together to give me a nice little darkness right here for when I do the glitter cut crease. I have now cut my crease. I'm pretty proud because this is the first time I've ever done it this great. So I'm just gonna apply this shimmer color right here called Sunnies. And then I'm going to apply the glitter on top of it. So let's do this. So now I have put the color, the pop color, and I'm going to have to go in with, I'm going to put my little thing back on, but I'm now going to go in with the glitter on the top of the shimmer. So I have two golds. I have this shimmer gold, and then I have this this gold, this like a rustic gold. It's called Overseas by Sparkle Eyes, and this one is gold by NYX. So I think we're gonna go with this one because this is my first time using it. I'm gonna use just a small brush with the NYX glitter, the glitter primer. So I'm just going to dot that on, and I'll be right back. So I'm just going to take, I'm actually going to take the same brush that I used. Now for the eyeliner, and I'm gonna do that off camera. Go back in with, I believe this is an e.l.f. defining eye brush. I went back in with the Volcano right here at the bottom, and I just dabbed in, and I kind of like touched this up right here so that like it's a shadow, and you can see it in it because with this. And I'll have to show you guys my new setup. My baby, he bought me in my first vanity. Like, it is awesome. It is absolutely beautiful. So I will insert a picture in there for you guys so that you guys can see. Finish my little tear duct here. I think I'm going to go in with, I think we should go in with the Volcano. The Volcano and Road Trip. Let's see what that does. So let's put Road Trip under here and Volcano over here. We're gonna go in with the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, and I'm going to use the black just to put on my tear duct. I'm actually out of eyeliner black eyeliner right now. Smart, smart, smart. Pair of my favorite lashes, you guys. These Lacolor Dramatlash are amazing. Like, look at them. They're wispy, everything. Like, I don't have to do anything to them. I love them. So we're gonna go on with this nude and see how everything turns out. There we are, guys. There is my finished look. I hope you guys like this look. Tell me what you think. Leave comments down below.